Hi guys, it is Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey, and today I have a great video for you, and I'm going to be participating in the challenge for Flippin' Friday over at Border Bananas. And if you haven't seen her videos, they are really good. She does some amazing thrift hauls. I would call her a professional thrifter. She is really, really good. And I always enjoy her videos. So she has an open challenge for anything that we picked up that we have flipped. So I am going to be working on a china cabinet that I absolutely love. I recently had a couple of friends who were getting a beach house, well, not a beach house, a lake house. And I think I had lake house on the brain because it's got this earthy, chippy vibe going on. And so I'm going to show you the different tips and tricks that I know of to paint some furniture. So let's get on with the video.
This is the piece I'm going to be working on today, and I gave it a fresh coat of white paint and distressed it a little bit already, and took the door off and took the interior pieces out, and you'll have to stick around to see what I do. So I'm pretty sure that I want to do the inside of the hutch in some kind of blue, and I don't think that the blue that I have enough of it. Yeah, this is kind of a blue that I made a while ago, but I think I want it to be a little more blue-green, so that's what I'm going to add here. I'm just adding whatever this mixture was, a little bit of Crete, which is from Heirloom Traditions. So I'm just going to use up some of my already opened paint. And then this is a color called French Toile. And so I'm going to add a little bit of that in there. And we'll see if we can get kind of a beachy, lakey. Is that a word? Lakey? I don't know. Oh wow, that's way too green. Oh, pretty color though. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Very pretty color though, right? Okay, but it definitely needs to be more blue. And we might need to add a little bit of navy in here too, just to darken it up. Okay, gonna add some navy. I'm not even sure what brand of paint this is. I had a little jar of it, but I'm gonna add some and we'll see what we get. Oh, that's looking better. So I'm hoping you can see this. This is a delicious looking sea foamy blue color. I think it'll look really pretty.
Now, like I said, I am not going to worry too much about if I get a little bit of paint on the outside of this. I'm going to use my sprayer because it is so much faster. And we will see how it turns out. Okay guys, it's definitely going to take a couple of coats, but I'm thinking I like it. I think I like it on the inside, and then I'm going to, while that first coat is drying, I'm going to go ahead and get to sanding the inserts that go inside. I have these sanded, and no, they are not perfect, and that is intentional because I want it to look like it's been around, you know, like it has for a long, long time. So I want it to show the wear. I want the little nicks. I might even go in with some dark oil wax. If I do, I'll show that to you. But just to give it a little bit more rustic age. And guys, you can see these little nail holes, or what are they called? Where the hinges were on this. And I am just going to use this lightweight spackle, and I'm just going to put it in with my finger, and then I'll go back and touch it up with the sandpaper when I'm done. And I just get this at the Dollar Tree.
painting the drawer blue. I didn't really like it, but I don't like it with just the drawer sanded either. So I think I'm going to paint the whole thing blue and then go back and distress it, make it uber chippy. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments if you think I'm making a mistake. So I'm just going to get a little chip brush, and I am not going to worry about getting full coverage. Like I said, my sprayer conked out on me. So I am just going to hit a few of these places where there was some white still showing, and then I will distress it back.
I'm going to change out the hardware, and I'm going to go with these cup pulls that I got on Amazon, and I'm not even going to bother filling these. I'm just going to go right over top of it. Guys, I am just going to hit the entire piece with some cutting board oil, and that is only because that's what I have right now. When I do buffets or things like that people are going to be eating on, I tend to use the cutting board oil, but you could also use a dark oil wax. You could stain it, or you could even do hemp oil, which I do a lot, but I'm out. So this is it, guys. Look how nice those are turning out. So you can see when I go over the wood here, all of that light wood is just going to get just a little bit darker, so it's going to pop a little bit more. Now the paint that I used doesn't need sealed. I used Heirloom Traditions paint, and it has a built-in top coat. So I'm not doing this for the sealing or for protection. I'm only doing this to darken up the wood without having to stain or glaze. So when I'm done with all this, I'll bring you back. So guys, what did you think? Do you think we did a good job with the video? Do you think it turned out nice? I love it. I wish I had a spot for it in my house, but sadly I don't. So it'll be for sale, as are most of the things that I paint. Anyway, if you like what you saw today, please, please, please do the liking and the sharing and the clicking and the thumbs upping and all of that social media stuff. And leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me whether or not you think this turned out great. I really think it did, and I just want to thank the folks over at Border Bananas for opening up Flippin' Friday for us, and I guess that's all I have to say. This is Margie with Reclaimed by Ramsey. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.